guys, welcome back to our channel Little One's First Step. Today I am going to share you some of the craft ideas, finger painting drawings which I did with my daughter. I hope this may be helpful for you also. I took many of these ideas from sites like Pinterest and I have made some modifications on it. I hope you too can try these ideas during this lockdown period. So let's get started. So this is a rainbow making DIY craft in which we use small bits of colored papers to make the rainbows. So initially I have drawn each color of the rainbow in the sketch, and I have given some small chunks of colored papers so that my kid may able to paste the colored papers in each line. So this forms a vibrant colors of rainbow. This is a good engaging activity for them to do and the kids love to do. This is a finger painting activity in which we have made this tree by keeping my kid's finger as a leaves on it. And we have made the bird to sit on the tree. We have used the pistachio shells. We have painted the pistachio shells and made it dry, and we have pasted it as a bird to sit on each branches of the tree. So kids loves to do this since they need to keep their fingers as leaves on the trees. So this activity is also kids loves to do. This is like a flower making craft in which we use these pastas. We painted these pastas in a light yellow color and we dried them up, and I made her to form it as a flower with a leaf on it. So this is again a finger painting activity which my kid loves to do it because since she uses her hand to form it as a hen and all her thumb finger goes as a chick. So it's purely your kid's hand to form all these animals. So just to keep her hand to form it as a hen, and then all of the thumb finger goes as a chick, and then she draws all these legs and this. This is a wonderful craft in which their hands do all of these things. This is a butterfly making craft in which we used pastas to make the butterflies. My kid, she painted these pastas first, and we dried up all of these, and we pasted it as a butterfly that is flying above all the grasses. It looks so delightful to see those. There are so many colorful butterflies that are flying above the grasses. So this is again a nice craft in which I used my kids both hands and the footprints to form the letters like O and V. It represents the love. So she loves to do it since she needs to keep all the footprints of her hands and the legs to form these letters. It looks so good to see that this forms the letters like a V and it forms like a letter O. So this represents the word love. So this is a finger painting flower making craft in which my kid, she uses her fingers to form the petals of all the flowers. We use the finger painting colors so that she keeps all her hands to make the petals of each flowers. So this is a name tracing activity in which I have traced the name of each letters in just a pencil, and she has used this earbud to just trace it on each of the letters. So it looks so nice to see. So they like to write their names in the form of tracing with earbuds. So this is a flower making craft in which we use the small piece of color papers. So I've given her a small piece of each color papers, and she has to fold it and make it as a petal of each flowers. And this looks so bright to see because we used many different color papers, and this forms as a petal for each of the flowers. These are all the craft items which we did it recently. For each craft my kid does, I make sure I hang them on my wall so that she feels good and she'll be motivated to do more. So I think this video may be helpful for you, and please share your valuable comments, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.